Hey everybody, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance. In today's video I just want to show you guys how to program a Chamberlain or Liftmaster universal keypad. That's the outdoor keypad. Looks something like this. As you can tell, there's no enter button, just strictly numbers and the star and pound key. So this is similar to programming the universal remote control in that you have to find the frequency that you're running on. So just match up your garage door opener with the year or by the color or by the model and all that. As you see here in the manual, today I've got a purple button Liftmaster screw drive that I will be doing, and so the code for that will be 3. And so essentially just got to follow a couple of steps to do that, and let's go ahead and show you. The way you do this one is you press and hold the star and pound key together till the light stops flashing. Then you enter your pin and you hit the pound button. That's going to tell the keypad that's the pin I want. And then after that you hit your code for the opener or for the frequency. In my case it's 3 pound, and that turns it off. So now what we did was tell the keypad that's my pin and this is the frequency we're running on, and each process was ended by the pound sign. So what we're going to do now is hit our opener's learn button, which is in the back of the unit or on the side sometimes, but mine is here. You can see the purple square. You push that, little light turns on there. Now I'm going to put in my code, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0 is my enter key. See that? The light flashed. That was just saying, hey, I caught the frequency. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and give it a test run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0 as my enter. Voila. Just like that. That's pretty much it, folks. Like I said, just find your particular frequency, follow the steps, and you shouldn't have any issues with it. I will link this garage door opener keypad down in the description below. It is the most universal, so this will work for the majority of garage door openers, so you shouldn't have any issues. If you do, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to help you out. If I leave a comment down below or reach out through our website, on the email page. Anyhow, if that did work for you, if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We do all kinds of videos on garage door stuff. Might come in handy at one point for you. Aside from that, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.